Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the lowest and highest value in Excel. So I have this data here, and from this, we are going to find the minimum and the maximum value. So let's find the lowest value in this column. So type equals sign on your keyboard, then type min, which is a formula. Once it pops up, double click on it. Then the next thing will be to select the range of data that you need to find the minimum value from. So this is our data. Then once you're done, close the brackets and press enter. So this is the minimum value 101, as you can see here. So the next thing is to find the highest value. Okay, type equal sign on your keyboard, then type max. Once the formula pops up, double click on it, then select the range of data that you need to find the value from, then close the brackets and press enter. So our maximum value or the highest value is 960, which is this. So we can confirm this by sorting the data. So let's select it, then right click, then go to sort, then sort smallest to largest. So you can see the smallest value is 101 as shown here, and the highest value is 960 as shown here. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.